Hello, everyone. So, before we proceed, let me introduce myself first. I'm Anika Bialia Crisley Antino, a human student. So, let's start. I'm gonna share my social advocacy about promoting sustainable solutions, tree planting, and recycling to combat climate change and overheat summers. The goal of the campaign for sustainable solutions, which includes recycling and planting trees, is to solve the problems caused by climate change and excessively hot summers. It shows how critical it is to act now to lessen the effects of climate change and advance a future that is more resilient and sustainable. Say no to plastic bag. Use reusable bags when shopping. Instead of opting the single-use plastic bags at the checkout, bring your own reusable bags made of fabric or other durable materials. Reusable bags can significantly decrease the demand for plastic bags. This not only reduces the amount of plastic waste generated but also encourages a habit of sustainability among consumers. And bring your own garment bags when shopping. A less commonly known but equally effective method is to use a zippered fabric garment bag when visiting the dry cleaner. Rather than having your cleaned items returned in a single-use plastic cover, request that they be placed in your own reusable garment bag. This practice helps to eliminate the need for plastic bags in the dry cleaning process, further contributing to the reduction of plastic pollution. Reduce daily plastic waste. As I said earlier, bring your own bag. Use reusable bags instead of accepting single use plastic bags at stores. This reduces the demand for plastic bags, which are harmful to the environment. Second, say no to plastic straw. Opt or choose for alternatives like metal, glass, or bamboo straws instead of plastic ones. This small change can significantly reduce plastic waste in oceans and landfills. Third, zero waste. Adapt a lifestyle that aims to send no trash to landfills. It involves reducing what we need, reusing as much as we can, sending little to be recycled, and composting. And last, bring your own bottle. Use a reusable water bottle instead of buying bottled water. This not only saves money but also reduces plastic bottle waste. Here are the four recycling bins: paper, glass, organic, and plastic. First, the paper refers to items like newspapers, magazines, cardboard, and other paper products. Recycling paper involves the process of turning waste paper into new products, which helps save waste paper from occupying space and producing methane as it breaks down, reduces the demand for fresh timber, protects forests, and preserves ecosystems. Second, glass. Glass recycling involves collecting and processing glass containers to make new glass products. This process helps reduce the demand for raw materials, save energy, and extends the life of glass producing furnaces. Third, organic. Organic waste includes food scraps, yard waste, and other biodegradable materials. And recycling. This usually refers to composting, which turns organic waste into a nutrient-rich soil amendment, helping to reduce methane emissions from landfills and conserve landfill space. Last, the plastic. Plastic recycling involves collecting plastic items and processing them into new plastic products. This process varies by the type of plastic but generally aims to reduce the consumption of raw resources, decrease plastic pollution, and lower greenhouse gas emissions associated with producing new plastic. Here are the tips. Walk everywhere. Opt for walking as your primary mode of transportation to reduce carbon emissions and promote personal health. Reuse water bottle. Utilize a water bottle multiple times instead of opting for single-use plastic bottles to decrease plastic waste. Create less waste. Aim to minimize the amount of waste you generate, focusing on reducing, reusing, and recycling as key practices. Unplug each night. Disconnect electronic devices when not in use to save energy and reduce your carbon footprint. Shorter showers. Limit the duration of your showers to conserve water and energy. And last, go local. Support local businesses and produce to reduce transformation emissions and promote community sustainability. Four types of reduce, reuse, recycle, repeat. The last, but did you know that recycled is only 9% and 91% of landfill incinerator are the environment? A recently study found out that the 400 million metric tons of plastic waste produced annually, only 9% is successfully recycled. And the other one, researchers found that 20% of the total human driven methane emissions have been produced from waste landfills. And 91% of these landfill methane emissions have been caused by open trash incineration. So, only 9% of the plastic used every day is recycled. And that's all. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.